my monkey Spike, and he is a stunt monkey. I'm going to tie him to a football and throw him against that wall. It's going to be fun. Here, I've got the football. There we go. I'm going to tie them all up. This is going to hang on for dear life. And now, just for extra safety, belt. There we go. He's all belted. Belted! Belt courtesy of Dave Cook. Belted! Shut up! Alright.
Oh, yeah.
It's all set up. And now...
You're going to throw that at me, aren't you?
No.
Huh.
Here he goes.
I thought you were going to throw it at me.
Why? I go see if he's alive. Go watch another video.